In a previous episode, I'm fine now, I had an in-depth look at this Master-Mite heat gun. I was able to check the temperature of the nozzle heat shroud, but that'd be a lot cooler than the air coming out the business end. Since that video went up, I got myself a couple of thermos. And that's going to allow me to now test the airflow that's coming out of this nozzle. Nominally, this heating element is 475 watts and it puts out 650 freedom degrees. To test it, I'm going to put on this heat shrink adapter and let it warm up for 1 minute. That reminds me of a pet salamander I had when I was a child. His name was Tiny. Everybody kept asking me why I called him Tiny. Well, he was minute, obviously. So there we have it, about 560 freedom degrees. A little bit cooler than nominal, but that would be expected. The nominal's probably inside the heating element or something like that. Anyways, thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more Room for Tools.